Welcome back, my friend, to Toolbox Tutorials, and today I explored new Canva AI draw image program, which is really cool, and it's called Dreamlab. So let's begin. First thing you want to do to go to your homepage, and you want to press Dreamlabs, and straight away it opens new window where you can select the size. For example, you can do YouTube thumbnail, you can do for Instagram, you can do anything you like. You can do square, and you can choose what kind of stuff you want to draw. So for example, you can do portrait, moody, minimalist, sketch color, sketchy, pop art, and you can select none. So let's do none. And next thing what you want to do is you want to go to ChatGPT, type in this prompt, and it automatically generates you the text to copy paste to the Canva Dreamlab. So after that you're done, you pass the text, you press generate, and straight away it generates the image. You can preview it. This looks really nice, really awesome, and you can draw anything you like. So as you can see in the top, you have 500 points or coins or credits, how you want to call it, and it's renew each month. So you have like 500 tries each month, and it's completely awesome to use. Like as you can see, it generates really good text, zoom in and out effect in Canva. I was just experimenting, and I was really happy about it. In conclusion, as you can see, Canva AI new Dreamlabs software really helps you a lot. It can draw you images, and you're already paying for Canva subscription. So you have for bonus 500 credits in the Dreamlab, which you can experiment and update your game and make really cool thumbnails, Instagram posts, reels, or just draw some epic, as you can see, pictures. So like always, subscribe to my channel and share your comments what you think about new Dreamlabs AI.